Hello, this is Kenji. Hello, Professor Jerry Reed, and this time I am going to be presenting the final project, which is alternative to the final exam. I am going to read the instructions and then going to explain about the program, the Python program. So in this case, we have to create a Python file, which is going to be reading what's the MBOX file format. So I download the notification email that you have been collecting throughout this time. So for this project, the deliverable is that it's going to be creating an output of a CSV file following this format or any other field that we want to choose. So I just add all of them. I did all of them. So this file, the MBOX, it's called Solar Alerts, are coded on, I think it was base 64. So I'm going to explain about it a little more here in the program. So basically, I importing this mailbox and CSV libraries. Here, I am going to use the find field in order to search on the decoded email body for specific naming. So that way we can identify part of the mail. So I'm going to use this one, mailbox and box about solar alerts right here. I will put it in the root so the program can read it. And then going to create these rows. We're going to store temporary information so later it can be written on the CSV file. Uh, So the program itself is, well, actually the inbox itself is already on base 64 format, so it's not human readable, meaning we gotta use the UTF-8 so we can make it easy for us to read it, and then parse, so meaning collect specific fields of the already decoded, so the decoded information, so we can then just read it down the CSV file. So I'm going to use for the messages. This is multiple MIME after some research is multi-purpose internet mail extension which have many parts in one email, or single which is just single part, and skipping messages that does not have any decoding information, and then converts information to the UTF-8, so human readable, and that's the part I was mentioning. So we're going to look for this specific text, these labels, actually it's called labels, issue time, alert, threshold reach, synaptic period, active warning, no scale, to then name them. Um, so after this find field having found this text, it will be under a code of message, serial number, issue time. So then we are going to store it with append, roads.append. So we got all this information already collected. So later we are going to write those information. So we're going to go create an alert summary CSV, which is this one. I'm going to reload the program with write a new line, and then this is going to be the a header. I'm going to include header, which is going to be the same names, code of message, serial number, issue time, alert. So the first row, column row, it will going to be the name, and then it's going to actually write all the appended information here. It's going to write in the file, and then after it successfully having um, generated the file, it will print in the console CSV generated correctly. So let's run the program, and they say okay, CSV generated correctly. So we go to alert summary, and here we have each row and then information of all the alerts in order, so we can see the code, the serial, the time, and all more information. Well, thank you for the class, and I have a lot of fun learning about data structure. Thank you very much.